Welcome to the Middle East AI News Minute for Wednesday, September 6th, brought to you by Carrington Malin, Marketing for an AI-First World. Saudi Arabia's Communications, Space and Technology Commission, or CST, has published new National Data Center Services regulations. The kingdom plans to attract $18 billion of data center investment by 2030, upping capacity to more than 1,300 megawatts. Meanwhile, Expo City Dubai has announced the Middle East's first Artificial Intelligence Film Festival, or AIFF. Movie makers are invited to submit a short film that includes AI-generated content before December 1st. With a 6-month hybrid online-offline program, the awards ceremony will take place in February 2024. And the Environment Agency Abu Dhabi has pledged to plant 10 mangrove trees for each of the 80,000 visitors attending the COP28 Climate Change Summit this year. Flying drones will be used to plant the mangrove seeds. These were today's top Middle East AI news stories, brought to you by Carrington Malin. See my weekly news digest for more stories and useful links. Thanks for listening.